Hi everyone, this is Pablo Hurtado, immigration attorney, and I just want to say thank you to all of our clients who have really adopted and adapted so quickly to our new norms and procedures during this pandemic. Everyone is either calling, and we're conducting the client meeting through phone calls, which is really the best way, and we're emailing each other and using our client portal so that we can have that communication. And if they're coming to the office, they're really adapting real quick to our new procedures. And I just wanted to tweak a couple of things from my last video and just kind of update you guys. What we found is the Ring doorbell is great, but because of all the traffic that passes through here and wind or whatever, it can get really difficult really quickly. And we just found it's way easier to just call the front desk. So we have a new sign up here on the door that just says, hey, you can call the front desk and we can just talk on the phone during this procedure. We are an essential business. We're about 10 days into the safer at home order from the state of Florida, but as essential businesses, we can operate, and we really need to operate because there's still a demand, but we want to keep everyone safe, not just our staff and not just our clients, but our entire community. So this is really the best way to do it. You come, you make an appointment beforehand. If you show up before without an appointment, there is this sign on the door. And all you have to do is call our front desk, 239-362-3670. We have multiple people ready to pick up the phones, and you just say, hey, I'm here, I have an appointment, I'm meeting with the attorney, or I'm meeting with a paralegal, or I'm here to drop off documents, and we're just taking one person into the lobby at a time. That gives us an opportunity to wipe everything down in between appointments, and they will buzz you in when it's time to come in, when everything's ready, everything's been wiped down, everything's been sanitized, to come in. And you'll come in and you'll see right away someone's there to greet you. And we have this conference room table at the door to ensure we keep 6 feet away. We don't want anyone coming to the window or trying to open the window, so we put this table here to make sure that we keep 6 feet away. And then Diana and Natasha, they'll be able to direct you on what are the next steps. If you're here to drop off documents, we actually have built in a document drop-off box now, so we don't even have to open the window. You can just go ahead and leave your documents right there, or if we're giving you documents, we're going to go through there, and it's really the best way to do it, and that is sanitized between every use, all right? So if we're going to go to one of our conference rooms, then they'll direct you. We have 3 conference rooms available with video conferencing so that you are actually interacting with either the attorney or the paralegal through video conference. So everything will be set up, and that's why we ask you to call beforehand so we can have it set up. If it's going to be a video conference, we'll have the video conference available. If you need to sign documents, the documents are ready for you to sign. And then what we'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and transfer. We're going to pause the video for a second, and when we come back, we're actually going to be in my office for you to see how we interact. Last video we showed how it looks from this end. This video will show you how it looks from the end of my office. All right, we're back now, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks from my end. Last video we showed the interaction from the end of the conference room, but I wanted to show how it works from my office and how we can continue to use these systems to keep safe and to still get work done. So, hi Diana, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good, thank you.
And Diana, can you see me well?
Yes, I can see you clearly, and I can hear you perfect as well.
Perfect. And as you can tell, there's no delay. Both video and audio is instantaneous. After about 30 seconds, it just feels like you're back in my office and we're just a couple feet away. And I can tell you we've been using this system for about a month now, and the clients love it. It's very natural, it's very efficient, and it works. I mean, that's the big thing with technology. We just want it to work. So once again, let me throw out a big thank you to Onward Solutions for getting all this technology up and running. So the best thing about this is not only that Diana and I can have this interaction through video and it's seamless, but I can also share my screen. So, just by a simple click here, I can show my screen, and next thing you know, we are reviewing documents, and we're making sure that there's no mistakes on documents. And Diana, you can see the document, correct?
Yes.
And so if there's any corrections that need to be made, we can actually make it in real time, and we can get these done for you right away. And it's really nice too. And also, even if I can share other screens as well, obviously. And a lot of times I do send people to my website. There's a lot of really good information on my website. We've made a lot of videos, including videos in English and Spanish that kind of go over the processes and the procedures. So for example, sometimes, we're going to do an adjustment of status, and we go over so much information during the consults that, sometimes it feels like as soon as the client leaves the office, it's like, oh my gosh, I forgot everything that we talked about. Well, there's a lot of videos on our website that actually go over in detail the different processes, what's an adjustment of status, it says here in the contract that, we're filing for an adjustment of status. What does that mean? Well, there's videos on what the procedure and the process are for adjustment of status or consular processing or investor visas and things of that nature. So we're adding videos constantly. We also have our YouTube page. So it's really a great resource. And then did you see all that? Did you see the website as well, Diana?
Yep, I can see all of the firm information regarding COVID-19 and the entire screen that you're sharing with me.
Exactly. So good. And then it's as easy a click to get back to the form and just finish up the form. And then when we're done going over the form, we just go back and I can see Diana again. And as you can see, it really works in real time and flawlessly. So you can see me again, right, Diana?
Yeah.
So thank you again for your quick adopting and adapting to these new procedures. And this is the thing, you don't even have to come to the office to get this level of interaction. We can set up video consults. You can call and talk to Diana or Natasha, and they will set you up with a video consult. And you can do this from your phone. Or from your house if you have a laptop or some other device like an iPad or computer that has a webcam enabled. So it's very, very easy to use, and we can set that up for you. Obviously, if you want to do it over the phone, very easy as well. I have the soft phone on my computer, so I can make and take phone calls from my computer as well. And I can email you those documents. You can review those documents while you're on the phone with me. So it is very easy as well. And obviously, we can FedEx things, UPS things, whatever it is needed to do to get things done. And immigration has relaxed their procedure for the requirement of a wet signature. So we're able to use photocopies to send to immigration as long as the wet signature is available when they finally start doing interviews again. So thank you, Diana, for your time. Great interaction here. Call us. Once again, my name is Paulo Hurtado, immigration attorney. Again, we are an essential business. We are open. So call us 239-362-3670, and Diana will help you set up your next appointment with the firm. Thank you so much.